What's up, everybody? Welcome to another week of the #1 show. You know I'm your host, Cruddy, and for the next half an hour, it's all about entertainment and lifestyle. Of course, this week we're on a road trip, and right now we're in the junction. I don't know where we're going to end up next. So guess what? You just locked your TV because Pree Dis start right now.
Portmore now has a new nightclub. The famous nightclub recently opened its doors in Portmore. We were there. We have the highlights. Check out the action.
Welcome to Famous.
Let's go!
7 days of the week. From a party, you know we have to reach red, but I'm so creative, my feet well she got sex appeal. Hot girl when me day out the street, yo. Feel like forget a while. Brought me out to let no take time. Pan the bar, me a brace, me a wine up my waist, cups up. Party time. 'Cause there's a party up in here. Pull it up, DJ. Cup a drink and grab a shot. Let me party till the morning. 'Cause there's a party up in here. Pull it up, DJ. Cup a drink and grab a shot. Let me party till the morning. Mama said,
Why isn't it famous? Well, you couldn't call it anything else. I mean, the reality is we went all out with this brand, and we want everybody who comes through the door to feel famous. We'll be hosting a lot of very famous people, and the reality is when you come in here and you party, you must feel famous.
It's all about the VIP. It's all about where everybody wants to be. Lime has to be a part of what is the biggest and best thing in Portmore. Lime, Portmore people is Lime people, so we had to be involved, and we decided to take it to a different level and make it a Lime level.
When are you open? When are we open? Thursday through Saturday. Thursday through Saturday. So Thursday night we have a ladies' night. Friday night, famous Fridays, club night. Saturday night we're going to live shows. We're going to do sound systems coming in here. The full gamut. Jamaican, reggae, dancehall. It's all Jamaican vibe, Jamaican brand.
I'm here to be a part of this grand opening of a phenomenal club. Probably the biggest club in the island. It is unbelievable. The technology that they've put into this, the work that they've put into this. Like I've said before on another channel, it's ingenious. And I love what the K-League group is doing. The clubs in New York are not this big anymore. Everyone has downsized. This is how it used to be back in the 90s, the early 2000s. But right now in New York, the clubs in New York is a fraction of this club. This is mega, this is super, it's huge.
Half of my neighbors sing cut up Portmore. Not famous for the Portmore. So for them build a club famous, because what? Boom! Clubbing again, you know what I mean? Years ago we had Cactus, and right now we're walking them in all kind of place. Spacious, the speaker them sound boom, the lighting, yo, club famous.
It's spacious, the VIP area, them in the secluded way like one little mattress box. We have enough space to dance and it's big enough for we give live shows as well. So somehow I know it's going to work for Portmore because we need something like this.
All right, shout out to all our viewers over there in New York. Big up the whole Bronx, Brooklyn. You are missing out on Jamaica. You need to come back to the island and visit it right now. I'm in St. Mary. You can see the legendary hotel behind me. Look well pretty and all these things. But right now we're running straight into our first video premiere of the week. And it comes from CK. Yes, the same lovely female, CK. CK, sing the song for me, please. And all of the people in Canada, just watch the one, yeah.
Let's go! 7 days of the week. From a party, you know we have to reach red, but I'm so creative, my feet well she got sex Brought me out to let no take time. Pan the bar, me a brace, me a wine up my waist, cups up. Party time. 'Cause there's a party up in here. Pull it up, DJ. Cup a drink and grab a shot. Make the party till the morning. 'Cause there's a party up in here. Pull it up, DJ. Cup a drink and grab a shot. Make the party till the morning. Mama said, yeah, yeah. I said, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Whole place in the heat. Nico, have my body locked to the beat. Like if I with that short pan repeat. Not 2 o'clock, 6:30, I do it. Not you man, nice and video. This vibe is crazy. On cloud nine, it takes me. I just wanna party till I'm morning. 'Cause there's a party up in here. Pull it up, DJ. Cup a drink and grab a shot. Make a party till the morning. 'Cause there's a party up in here. Pull it up, DJ. Cup a drink and grab a shot. Make a party till the morning. Come back with party, yeah. Party, yeah, till the morning.
Now, big up to everybody in the Caribbean, big up to all the Jamaicans. Right now, you are watching Pree Dis, and we're running on into the responsible drinking tip of the week. Now, big up to everybody when you know you get to the party, you drink, and you have a designated driver. Because you see the drinking and driving thing, even if you're drinking and walk, go home, it's not safe. It's just not safe for us drunk and not supervised. So that's why we prepare this feature every week. Check it out. Rum Bar Responsible Drinking Tip of the Week.
The responsible drinking tip of the week is brought to you by Rum Bar Rum. Truly Jamaican. Always know what is in your drink. If you're going to a party, and especially if you are a female, never put your drink down and make sure you get your drink yourself. Accept drinks only from a trusted friend. The responsible drinking tip was brought to you by Rum Bar Rum.
All right, I know you're enjoying the show right now. We're going for a first commercial break. When we get back, still a whole lot more. Keep it locked. You're watching Pree Dis.